Mr. Rowe, son, came from England. All days, they used to buy buckle water for it. And one day he's as in friend, you know, kids looking birds and all those things, but you know, you don't get much running up and down where it is. Passing through, stop at the well, have a lovely belly full of the water, went home, tell his parents what happened. They will start fretting what's gonna happen to him. When they realize the night has ended, no diarrhea nor anything from the water, them stop by a buckle of water and send him there at the well to fill his water.
Start drinking from the well.
And start drinking the water from the well instead of to buy in their buckle of water.
Okay.
Because it's still purified.
Yeah, it's a flowing water.
Because it's a flowing water.
Yeah.
Don't stand still. Ever keep moving. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, ever keep moving.
Take out some whip and muck out of the way they put on pipe on it.
Dirt and all this.
Yes, someone some muck will come out of it, brother. And now they want to clean like a whistle.
How do you clean it out? Machine or
hand?
Hand?
And bucket.
And
jump it.
Yeah, you go down in the well?
Yeah, man. And drop the whole of the
And use your hand.
Yeah, man.
Now I clean the wall, the ring?
And
Yeah.
scrape out the
carry one jill where the water
that's
run. At
get
that
down
time
in the
water
well.
run.
Get down in the well now, so all of those dirt now, yeah, that's now went down to the basin of the well.
Yeah, man, and they set up down there.
So you just take your hand now because all of those will be soft. So you just take your hand, scrape it out, put it into a bucket, and the person on top of the well now use the rope and hold the bucket and take it out.
So let me ask you something. Oh, so you in the well cleaning the well, but what's holding you up when you're cleaning the well?
No, you stand on the bottom of the basin of the well.
Oh, and the water don't?
No, because the
They
water
got you
now,
upon one rope, you know.
so
And you sit down upon it, you know, and I say to yourself and I go and take up where you have to take up.
yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Send do it and take up everything.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
yeah, man.
And then after that, you clear the whole side, you know, where the spring coming from.
Right.
That time the water starts spring out like a fuckery.
Yeah, man. And
Yo,
full up the basin of
in
the
a
well
noon
now.
time, water up there, also.
And once you clean it out?
Yes, sir, man, when the spring get burst out again, at the time water starts spring, and more cooler and sweeter. Trust me?
Uh,
Yeah, man.
So how often you clean the well?
What a year time.
Every year? Once a year?
Yeah, 2 times, 2 years. I say every 2 years. Because you know, so now you build up a foundation around the well. And there like frogs and stuff like that now can get down in there and spoil the water.
And you put in
So now you can put pump in the well as well.
Yeah, man. A pump in there.
A pump in there now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, you can go drink water off a well now. You don't have to drop water with no rope again.
Okay, well they put a pump in it?
Yeah, man.
And it's like a pipe?
And just turn on a pipe now and get water off of it. The water make all them off and now required.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
You have a well on you?
Yeah, man, right down a Stonefield bottom there.
Don't I see one there?
Same people that one? Okay.
Right down a Babu we come from, down in the lane there.
Okay.
Right out of the lane there where we come from. So where I come from, go water cow, you know.
Yeah.
And after it, we go water cow them.
Oh, so you use the well to water cow?
Yeah, man.
And what about like the ground, the farm? What about the farm?
Farm, man, different way. And you got him.
Well, what I mean is like if you use water from the well to
Yeah, man, I hit
for the farm.
For you see the rain or spring off of it.
Yeah.
What a tree rain I got. And they just spit off water around and one save me yo like a. It a come in from a pipe.
Current pump.
At the current pump, I drag the water.
Electric
Yeah,
pump.
man.
Oh, you put the electric pump down in there, they set it up.
Yeah,
man.
but you send the pump now halfway down the well. Tie the pump now with a rope.
Yeah?
And send it now halfway down the well.
By our time, you know.
So you get more pressure out
You
now.
just got every water out there. By our time, you wait till our time, the water spring back down again, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Can't dry.
Can't dry.
It's a flowing river, don't it? Under there?
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
it's a river it's
Yeah.
coming from, man.
So I know you that's you know.
A fish are back top side river it a come from.
No man, so like you see Blue Mountain,
Yeah, I
Yeah.
Blue Mountain there.
from the mountain side, it coming more from the mountain.
Yeah, man.
Cause we live on the higher ground. So the water keep going down now, like going straight down now till it reach like Black River River. The Maros, Black River River, all of them places now.
Water will come down.
So it's set like it, I see like this. Coming from the mountain now straight down to the river.
But it's underground.
But it's underground.
Oh.
Yeah,
The
some
water, they
places
come-
now may
come
dig
clean
couple
back
feet
in
and the
now.
next person now to all depends on the level of the ground
This whole
and the
thing
height
go.
of the flowing of the spring.
Because it's flowing from the stream, it's flowing from the spring.
Straight
Yeah.
through. Yeah.
You know they say Jamaica water is the best water in the world
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
and the cleanest.
It is. It is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
true, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like spring water, then I back water. It a come from
Because-
there.
Yeah. The water, bottled water tastes totally different.
Because
Alright, let me tell you.
Yeah.
these
Get the spring, man.